The Format Painter easily copies one markup's visual properties and pastes them onto another markup, making the appearance properties identical. First, select the markup that has the properties that you want to copy. Then, go to Edit, Format Painter. Hover over an individual markup you want to update and the crosshairs will turn into a paintbrush. Click that markup to update it. To change multiple markups, click and drag over the markups that you want to select. Press the Escape key to exit the Format Painter mode. Note that the Format Painter only works on markups of the same type, as some markups have different properties to consider. For example, you could use it on a cloud, but not a Cloud Plus, because that also includes the text box that's attached to it. If the markup you want to copy properties from is in the tool chest, right-click the tool from the toolset, select Paint Format, and then select the markup or markups to be updated.